How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up your Thrustmaster T300 on your PS5. So I'm referring to the official instructions in order for us to set up our Thrustmaster right here. Now it's going to be extremely simple and it goes something like this. This is the official instruction from the T300, but I also have some graphs right here to demonstrate to you how easy it is to set up. Now, first things first, you want to connect the paddle set to the connector, which is located at the back of the racing wheel itself. Right after, connect the power supply cable to the connector 14, located at the back of the racing wheel's base. Now, this is used to power the entire device. And then you want to plug the power cable into an electrical outlet with the same voltage specification. From there, we want to set the USB sliding switch on the racing wheels base to PS4 and PS5. Basically, you could do that by pressing the mode button, which is going to be this one. There's multiple modes out there. There's the PS4 mode and there's PS5 mode. To switch between this, you have to hold click the mode button and then press the left and right arrow keys in order to switch between the modes right here. Now, connect the racing wheel USB connector to one of your console's USB port, which will then look something like this. It's going to be extremely simple. Just go ahead and connect the wheel onto the console's USB port. And then right after, as I've mentioned previously, you could just set it to the PlayStation mode right here, turn on your console, and the racing wheel will automatically calibrate it itself. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.